Yo, yo, yo. What it do, what it do? What it do, what it do? It's your boy, Donnell Taurus, and be back again with another video, man. Sheesh. So, what we're going to do today is go over 5 things you should know as a new producer. So, with me being a musician, I don't know if any of you know this, but I'm not just a singer-songwriter. I'm also a producer, engineer. I do a bunch of different things. I'm a videographer, photographer, all types of different things. I sat and learned as much as I possibly could on these things. I'm not perfect at all of them, but I do know enough to get me by. So today we're going to go over the top 5 things you should know as a new producer. So number 1, there is no wrong way to make a beat. And I faced this, I had this struggle for a while where I would make a beat and I'd be like, man, this isn't good, or like, this is like trash or something like that, or I'll be like, man, this don't sound like how the dudes make it in the industry, or blah blah blah. Bruh, there is no wrong way to make a beat. Like, you can, now there's some exceptions to this, because industry standard, you gotta have a hook, and you gotta have a verse, and then you gotta have like another hook and all that. I understand that, but generally speaking, when you're starting off and when you are new, just make beats. Just make the beat. At the end of the day, all those things can be worked on, but to be quite frank, at the end of the day, there is no right or wrong. Like, think about it. Like, if you look at a lot of these producers in these like hit songs, they'll be like, yeah, I just like made this on the spot, or I was just in the studio messing around, and this is what came about. So at the end of the day, there is no right or wrong answer when it comes down to making a beat. Now, there are things that you can work on to improve, but at the end of the day, there is no wrong way to make a beat. And yeah, man, I mean, that's just the way it is. Like, when you think about it, like, I'll use Tyler the Creator as an example, right? When I listen to his beats, I can hear a lot of his beats are very like basic. They're really good. They're mixed well. That's why they sound so good. But a lot of the beats that he uses aren't really all that complex. Anybody can make those type of beats, but his beat is unique to his sound. So that's how I kind of like put him in kind of like that category, because he make beats based off the things he liked. So, and he just happened to blow up from it and make money off of it. So at the end of the day, there's no wrong way to make a beat. Number 2, stay consistent. Keep making beats. It don't matter if you think the beat is whack, finish it. Finish the beat. Always finish your beats. And I fall into this category because I used to make like a whole bunch of beats and then don't finish them. I used to make like a verse to a beat and then I don't finish it, or I'll like be halfway through a beat and I never finish it. No, when you start a beat, finish it. Don't. Now, if you're gonna come back to it, that's one thing, but for the most part, once you start a beat, finish it. That's what I do now, and I notice I'm a lot more productive that way. I feel like I accomplished something. So number 2, stay consistent. All right. Number 3, always be inspired, but don't copy. You can be inspired by other musicians, other producers. That's great, but don't copy other people's style. Come up with your own unique style that's true to yourself. With that, I'm inspired by a bunch of different producers. Well, in my realm of production, because I have two kind of like inspiration routes. I have my inspiration for like the songwriter, rapper, and then I have the inspiration for the production, beat making. And a lot of my styles is like Timberland mixed with Boy Wonder, mixed with 40, mixed with just all types of different producers. Like you gotta put everyone's different styles into a pot and stir that thing, until you got something brewing. Smells tasty, you dig? So always be inspired, but don't copy. Just take bits and pieces of different artists, different musicians, and make it into your own thing. Because at the end of the day, once you start copying people, that's no bueno. People can pick that up, and it's just like, we already have that person. We don't need another one, And that's why I hate when people be like, "Oh, you sound just like, oh, you're just like, oh." It's just like, nah, I'm just like me, and we're gonna keep it at that. So yeah, man, always stick true to yourself and what you like. Don't feel like you're pressured to make beats that sound like so and so because that's what's popping right now. Nah, be your own person. All right. Next thing, number 4, upload your beats to a streaming service, whether it's DistroKid, TuneCore, any of the streaming services. Upload your beats to there, because believe it or not, a lot of people will listen to beats. More people will listen to beats more so than songs, because beats, there's no vocals, there's no like people talking. Sometimes people prefer listening to beats more than actual songs. Like, you'd be surprised. And not only that, but it's definitely a good way to get like a side revenue going for yourself if no one is buying beats. But of course, upload your beats to YouTube if you can. Try and see if you can sell beats. Then go from there. But put your beats on a streaming service, and yes, sell them to people, and then you can make money. There's a lot more ways to make money with production than just trying to sell beats to rappers or singers or whoever. Like, there's a whole bunch of different ways to do it. So just keep that in mind, and you'll be good to go. Okay, we lit. Next thing, number 5, last one. Learn how to songwrite and create hooks. So with that, I know sometimes producers, they don't want to get into the realm of making music, or they're not like a music writer or songwriter or anything like that. But learn how to songwrite. Learn how to create hooks on your beats, because if you can create hooks on your beats, you'll get more musicians, more rappers rather, to get on the beat, because a lot of the work is done for them. They don't have to worry about a hook. So learn how to create hooks on your beats. Then a rapper will be like, okay, well, more than half the song is finished. I just need to throw my verses in there. Make it easier for them. Then not only that, but you get a bigger payout when you negotiate percentages and contracts and things like that. Game changer. And trust me, like, these things work, and I've done it before. I've sold beats with hooks on it, and game changer, man. So if you have to listen to a bunch of songs, or I might actually create a course on how to create hooks and songs and things like that. I might have to do that. I don't know, Lee. I don't know. Write in the comment section if y'all be interested. I'm already working on one course, but let me know if y'all interested, man. Cause I chef it up. I chef it up, man. Don't play. Yeah. So, but yeah, learn how to songwrite. Songwriting will definitely help you out as far as selling beats, and then, you know, getting other artists to hop on it, because now they have a topic. Once they listen to the beat and then listen to the hook, they already have a topic. They already can go off whatever you got going on. So but yeah, those are the top 5 things you should know as a new producer. So I'm gonna recap. 1, there's no wrong way to make a beat. So make beats how you want to make beats. Don't worry about what everyone else got to say. Make the beat how you want to make the beat, and then you can come back later and work on whatever you need to work on. 2, stay consistent. Always work on beats. Keep working on it, because the more you work on it, the more you get better. Boom. Keep it at that. 3, always be inspired, but don't copy. So take whoever you like style, as far as like producers, mix them all in a pot and come up with your own style. Boom. Number 4, upload your beats to streaming services. People can listen to your beats. You're getting paid. Not only that, but you can sell your beats online on an online store, different things like that. You can make money from different ways. There's multiple different ways you can make money as a producer, not just having rappers hop on your tracks. Keep that in mind. Boom. And last and not least, number 5, learn how to write and create hooks. Once you learn how to do the songwriting and creating hooks, and make it more enticing for rappers to get on your beats, and not only that, but they'll purchase beats from you. So those are my top 5 things you should know as a new producer. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Stay true, stay heard. And I just said I'm out, but I'm out. Deuces. Yeah.